Sebelum kita mulai videonya, kita mau kasih informasi penting ya guys. Buat kalian yang ingin dapat hadiah yang seperti di layar kaca kalian ini, kalian cukup like, komentar, dan subscribe aja di channel YouTube kita ya guys. Nanti di kelipatan 1000 kita akan bagikan satu pemenang giveaway. Jadi ya rajin-rajin komentar ya guys. Kalau perlu yang kreatif komentarnya. Jadi tunggu apa lagi? Langsung klik subscribe, like, share, dan komen ya guys.
Cruising in my lane fast, call it high speed. I've been working hard, yeah, I've been working nightly. If you think you'll win, ha, not fucking likely. I be taking shots, yeah, cold-blooded, icy. Watching numbers grow is what I call sightseeing. In the front row, run it up when they hype me. The following grows, they know how to ignite me. Call me CEO, I've been running shit right, see. And I ain't playing games, I create my own lane, making pleasure out of pain, turning losses into gains. I'm the boss, I'm making change. I've been rocking this exchange.